Hello everyone. This is my presentation on melanoma. Melanoma is a form of human malignant disease that is very aggressive. From the research I did, its pathophysiology is very complex and very heterogeneous. It has been noted that it's the most aggressive form of skin cancer. It has the ability to adapt to changing microenvironments and also resist pharmacological interventions. It is also able to evade the host response and immunotherapy, and that makes its biological basis hard to understand. As we all know, it's a type of cancer on the skin, but upon research, I learned that it can spread to mucous membranes around the eyes, to gallbladder, to the anus, to vagina, and other parts of the body. Melanocytes are the source of melanosomes, which are organelles that produce melanin. Extensive interaction between melanocytes, which are the cells found in the epidermis of the skin, and keratinocytes, also in the skin. When they are also, the interaction is stimulated by carcinogens such as ultraviolet radiation, leads to the transfer of melanin from the melanocytes into the keratinocytes. As a result, there is a genetic mutation, multi-step genetic mutation of the cell cycles in the melanocytes, and this makes them more susceptible to ultraviolet radiation, causing the development of the malignant tumor called melanoma. This high penetrance susceptible gene, one of the causes to, according to the research I did, is genetical, and one of the genes that causes this cancer is CDKN2A, and as I stated, it's familial. So if you have a family member who has this gene, is a carrier of this gene, most likely you also have it and you may develop the cancer. The risk factors to melanoma are the environment, the phenotype, and genetic factors. And by environment, those who live in the sun belts, places where there is a lot of sun, ultraviolet radiation, tend to have this disease. And also for the phenotype, as I said, if it's in your family, most likely for the phenotype, if it tends to affect fair colored people, white people more than black people. And for the genotype, it's in the family. If you have the genes that contribute to this malignant disease, then most likely you also have the disease. Major signs and symptoms from the research I did on melanoma are pigmented lesions that meet the criteria for staging in cancer. We all remember the A, B, C, D, E. A being the asymmetric, B is the irregularity of the border, and C is a variegated color. D is a diameter of over 6 millimeters, and E is when it is raised or elevated. It is also worth noting that not all the melanoma lesions are pigmented. Diagnostic testing involves the use of imaging methods such as ultrasonography, PET, CT, the combination of PET and CT, and other surveillance. It is noted that ultrasonography has been found to be the best at detecting the lymph node metastasis, and PET-CT is great at detecting distant metastasis in staging and surveillance. Thank you.